Hey guys, and welcome back to Semajical Reviews, where for the last 4 episodes now, I've been reviewing the film adaptations of Suzanne Collins' Hunger Games series. So now we close the lid on that saga by jumping ahead to 2023. Or is it back to 10 years since the Hunger Games started? Well, yeah, for the film adaptation of the prequel, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. Now, spoiler alert, in case for those of you who don't know, but this film tells the story of a young Coriolanus Snow as it becomes a student mentor to the female tribute from District 12, Lucy Grey-Baird, as she is chosen in the Reaping to compete in the 10th annual Hunger Games. And under his mentorship, she is able to scrape a win. But he doesn't go about this by not cheating. Oh Lord, no, no, no. He helps her cheat her way to the win, which then gets him sent off as a punishment to train as a peacekeeper. Now, the peacekeepers are basically the corrupt police of Panem, the fictional future the story takes place in. And he's sent to train with them for 20 years. And well, he's originally sent to District 8 to train. He requests to be sent to the barracks at District 12 so he can find and reunite with Lucy. Now, it's not long before he learns he scored the highest in their academy tests and is sent off to District 2 to train as an officer. But this is not until after he's watched his best friend die. And in the end, he's released from his punishment and is able to go off to university. But this is after being adopted by his best friend's family. And he starts out as a student at the university. Who was being raised by his grandmother because his parents are both dead, so he's an orphan, alongside his cousin Tigress, who's 2 years older than him. That's Tigress, by the way. Wow. So basically, this is the story of how Coriolanus Snow, the president of Panem from the mainline films, rises to power. And the songbird of the title I picked up was Lucy Greybeard. But they do have literal songbirds, the jabberjays, in the film, or mockingjay. So now this film for the first act, takes place 64 years before the events of the first film. In the second act, I think it's like 10 years later, or something like that, with a more young adult Coriolanus Snow training as a peacekeeper. And then in the third act, when he's sent off to officer training, they're putting him in, and then released from his punishment, they actually put him in a position of power. So, it ends with him in that position of power. Now, he can go to university, whereas he couldn't before. Wow. And how much of a butthole can Dean Hightower be? Highbottom, sorry. Dean Highbottom. Anyway, and yes, there are snakes in it, engulf all of the tributes, or near all of the tributes in the arena. Now, all that being said, what do I think of the film? Oh, sorry, no, except for Lucy, because that's how they cheat her way to the win. Anyway, what do I think of the film, all that being said? As a prequel, it's a solid story, and I actually think it's better than Mockingjay. Yeah, that's right, I said it. So, that wraps up my reviews of the 5 films in the Hunger Games saga. Hopefully next time I'll be reviewing episodes 4 to 7 of Strange Hill High. I can't promise that will be the next review in case it isn't. But until then, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a magical time.